This is how I keep up with my hair after it's done. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Goodness. So I literally got my hair done like I believe like a week ago in a couple of days, and it's time to freshen up my hair. It's time to freshen up the curls. It's getting old. It's just I have to spice it up. So this is a tutorial and a review on the hair company that I use. This is not sponsored. And also how to just curl your hair, how to bring your hair back after you, let me turn on my notifications. How to bring your hair back after you've already gone to the salon, got your hair done by somebody, whatever it is. What are the steps to kind of like bring it back? The hair was not from Ali Pearl, first of all. I usually just wear the little thing that they give you. So just to make sure it keeps it intact. So this hair that you are looking at right now is from Sunber Hair. It says Sunburn, Dare to Shine. So as soon as I open up the box, they give you, you know, the little tan thingy, the ball cap. And they give you the hair. Obviously, the hair is inside of me. I mean, LOL, inside of me. Obviously, the hair is on me. And then they give you lashes. I haven't actually went through this whole thing, so I'm surprised as well. They give you lashes. Oh, they give you press-on nails. Maybe I got this hair around Christmas time because it's giving me Christmas feel. But it's kind of cute. Okay. And I wonder what this thing is. They give you... Oh, I'm guessing this is what you should put on to put like the makeup on. Oh, this is cute. Am I going to use this? I really don't know, y'all. It was longer than this, but I had her cut it because I wanted it to look a lot full. It was a little thin in the bottom, but if your hairstylist cuts it, then it'll look fine. So this is what the lace looks like now. First step, actually, I do use a big comb to just comb out any knots, I start from the bottom, then I comb up. The hair feels soft. So I will actually give you guys a real review in one of my upcoming vlogs, but the hair feels soft. It doesn't shed. You see I combed all of that. It doesn't shed. It's actually really nice. I like it so far. It's only been a week since I had this on, so take it with a grain of salt if you will. All right, so first things first, I will push out anything in front of the lace so you could do your baby hairs. So I would just push everything back for right now. If you have any of these clips, just clip it. They're really essential. So now my hair is like this, right? Just make sure that the hair isn't on top of each other, like you could clearly see the lace. Any hair that's in front of you, I would take the pin and I'll just put it as back as possible. All right, so then you take the mousse. I do need a new brush. And then you just put it on, but then use the back of the comb and just shape it. Shape the baby hairs. I like my baby hairs to be fluffy, personally. I don't like it to be too flat, so I don't have all the products to do that right now, but usually when it dries up, I just go with my hand and I just fluff it up. I do have to reinstall this hair completely, but just to manage throughout the week, because your girl be busy, I just do these little things to just bring it right back. All right, so this is how the baby hair looks. You know, it's very chill. I take a small little elastic band. So I usually have a thick size elastic band, and I would just cut it to make it smaller because I really needed to like sit on the lace, just the lace. So I would just place it here and just tighten the lace just so it's flat. I would take lace bond, the lace bond spray, and I would just spray, literally spray it on it. And just spray it on the band. That's what I would do. It's time to do the hair. So I usually leave this band the whole entire time while it's drying. And what I do is I section my hair first into like 2 sides. I'll focus on this side. So the trick is you take the flat iron and then you curl away from your face. So I would just start like that. I would just curl away from my face. If the hair is not like flipping away from your face, then you're doing it wrong. Make sure you are curling away from your face at the end. And as you're, ooh, y'all see that curl? And as you're curling, you're kind of like making its own dent. So we're gonna try it again. Away from your face. Do it again, away from your face. And you're flipping it as you're doing it. Practice makes perfect. It took me some time for me to like get this right. And sometimes, whew, it's hot. I just like roll it up so all the heat can kind of make it curly, and then I release. Yeah. And then I would just curl away from your face, away from your face, away from your face, all the way, twisting, twisting, twisting. Okay, so now we got to the front. I believe this is the first layer, and I want it to be away from my face. So I'm gonna comb, and then I'm gonna take this, and I'm just gonna twist on the top. Just twist, keep twisting. Just twist. And then I take this and I would just curl. Use this to help leave the curl up there. Take the pins. Make sure it's pinned down. So that is one. Now we have to do this side. Let's curl this. Away from your face. Ooh, that curl look good, y'all. This curl is eating. Yeah, definitely away from your face is where it's at. Sometimes I mix the two, but pink curling it away helps. I'm telling you, game changer. All right, y'all, we are at the top. So you see how my bangs, this part is a little shorter than this part. Let me see if I can show you guys. Like this side is shorter than this part, so I would honestly curl them separately. So this is the longer part, this is the shorter part. I'll pin it again. Curl away from the face. So that's what it looks like, right? And then we are just going to pin it to the direction we need it to go. Bang, 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 ba bang, ba bang. This little bad boy. And make sure it curls. I'm gonna use this Sebastian Shaper spray. Make sure it's spraying first. Alright, so now I'm just gonna take out the band. It is a little sticky, so I taken out the band, and then I sometimes use the spoolie for my brows and just fluff it up, but in that motion though. I don't like my baby hairs too flat, so I like to just fluff it up a little bit. Take down the pins. I start with the back first. Oh, there's no pins in this, it's just curls. So if you wanted tight curls, you now probably like tighten some of them up for it to be longer, but I want long loose curls. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a Y2 comb, but just so it has that bounciness, that lusciousness back to life. Ooh, look how good that looks. I'm not gonna touch this yet. I'm just gonna take off the rest. We just did these curls, so it's time to take these off. You see how it just bounces right back? Take this curl out, and then I comb that way, so it does what it needs to do. So now we have taken out the curls. Let's worry about these ones. So I'm gonna take this one out first because that's the first one we did, and see if it actually did what it needed to do, and it did. So I will take this and I will just comb it backwards so it can like do and blend and be more fluffy, you know. Sometimes I use a wax stick to make sure it's laid, but I feel like it's laid enough. But just in case, if you need the flyaways to just relax, just put a little wax stick in the front, put a little one on the top, and then you're gonna take this back of the hot comb and let the steam help steam that down. And for inside, I would just take this. I like your combing it and twist it down for that hump. And then play as you're liking. Also put the wax stick on that side. Make sure the hair is laid. Just make sure that that's laid so it's flat and doesn't look crazy. And I'll take my Y2 comb and I'll just make sure that that is where it needs to be. But you guys, that is how I did my curls. I wanted loose curls, so these curls look so good, so bouncy. I do this when I want to just make sure it looks like I just got my hair done. I just got my hair done, like I think a week ago. So I need the curls to bounce. Like I just got it done. And that's it. Let me know if y'all like or have any other tips or want more tips on how I curl my hair. But this is how I keep up with my hair. My skin is popping. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps somebody. And let me know if this tips was helpful via DM, comment down below, whatever. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.